This is a jeeiup dimple cylinder. You can get them on Amazon for like 25-30 bucks. They're not terrible. And like this one, I don't know if you can see that well, but that has 7 pins. So if you're getting into dimple locks, these things aren't actually terrible to learn on. They're not complete crap either. So I'm gonna switch between the two multi-pick flags that I have. You don't really need to. It just makes it easier. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to switch to the smaller one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7 opens it. So yeah, that is the jeeiup 7-pin mortise cylinder.